Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial. And in this video, we will be learning how we can fix the Wi-Fi problems on our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And so for that, we will be accessing the device manager first. So you can make a right click here in the Windows icon and then select the device manager option. Or you can just simply open the run window by typing Windows R key all together. And then here we need to type the msconfig.msc and just click on enter. And if it works, then you will be getting this kind of window. So once the device manager is already open, all you need to do is just to go to the network adapter. So please look for network adapters option. Once found, please double click on that to expand. And here you need to make a right click on the LAN card that you're using or driver that you're using. So since I am connected with the Wi-Fi, I'll be clicking on the wireless option here. So all you need to do is just to make a right click on that. Or you can also look for drivers that has a download icon or an alert icon, which is a yellow warning. So if you have seen it, all you need to do is just to update it. And to do that, simply make a right click and then click on this update driver option. And then if you're connected with an internet, then just go with the first option, search automatically for drivers, and wait for the window that's with wait for the window to say that the best drivers for your device are already installed. Now, if you're not connected, then just go to the second option, browse my computer for drivers, and here click on the let me pick from a list of available drivers, and here you will be shown with the compatible hardware drivers that you have in your device. Just select the latest one, and if you have already selected the latest one and you're still facing issues, then proceed with the older one or the later one. And once you have done that, just click on this next button here and it will start installing the driver. After the installation process, you will receive a notification that says Windows has successfully updated your driver. So once you have received that notification, all you need to do is just to make a quick restart with your device and see if the problem is already fixed once you're back. So you can also post update check. So after updating, you can confirm Wi-Fi icon is enabled, and you can just go to the taskbar, see if the internet has access. And after doing that, and there's still some issues after doing the process that we have just made, and there's still some issues or problem, then you can also update other driver. So if any other driver show alert or download icons, then you can also do the same process for each of the driver. And then after doing the process, just make a quick restart with your computer afterward. So if the updating doesn't work, you can also uninstall the device. So to do that, just make a right click and then click on this uninstall device option and reboot the system or make a quick restart. After the restart, it will automatically reinstall the necessary drivers that your system needs. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.